Leafs. The Leafs aren't even leafing. Cinnabon. You know what? It's on a cinnamon bun. I give up. He stares. Hang on, I gotta find my eyes. Leaf. Leaf. Song named Rake. Let me fix the puppet's hair. I feel like that did not help at all. It's like a wild professor. Slide on in over here. We can afford some grandmas. I'm going on a few dates. They're cooler at the office and going, I'm getting so much work done. The intrusive thoughts are to pour the coffee on the puppet. But I know exactly what that would do. That would be wet sock. Wait, we can afford a farm. Don't we already have another farm? Don't we have potatoes? We have potato farm. And now we have another farm. There's a lot of farming. Yeah, the coffee spilled everywhere. Not just a little bit of coffee spilled. My whole cup just went. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. What do you make when you got a wet keyboard? What do? Make keyboard soup? Nobody wants keyboard soup.